In this video, we'll look at how to create a hybrid event using Eventgroove. This is an example of a hybrid event page. You'll see there are two different ticket types available, in-person and online. Let's look at how to set this up. Fill in the details on the Event Info tab as you would for any other event, including the event name, description, and the date and time. Then select the Venue tab. First, select the Hybrid checkbox. You'll need to set up two different venues, one for the live version and one for the online version of your event. For the live venue, enter the name, capacity, and address. Then click Save. For the virtual venue, scroll to the top and select Edit Secondary Venue. Enter the name and specify that this is an online venue. Then add an online link where guests will access your performance. If you want to embed your performance directly on your event page, add the embed code here. You'll see a preview of your page appear below. If you have any instructions for your online guests, enter that information here. This will appear in the email that guests receive as well as on the waiting room page. If you want to provide pre-event entertainment, enter the embed code here. This will appear on the waiting room page as well. Next, let's add some tickets. On the Ticketing tab, select Add Ticket Type. You'll need to create at least two ticket types, one for live attendees and one for virtual. For live attendees, simply enter the name, price, quantity, and any advanced options you want to apply. For virtual tickets, follow the same process, but make sure you select Attend Online Only in the advanced options. Then, set up your payment account if necessary, and click Publish. Now let's look at the guest experience. This is what an in-person ticket email looks like. The email includes all the event details, as well as a QR code that can be scanned at the door when they check into your event. Here's an example of an online ticket email for the same event. Instead of a QR code, these guests will see an Attend Online button, which will link to the event waiting room. Here's what the waiting room looks like. Guests will see the message you included in the setup process, a countdown timer to let them know when the event will begin, as well as the pre-event entertainment content if you chose to include that in your event setup. If you didn't include any pre-event content, your event image will appear in this space. Once the countdown timer reaches 0, guests will be able to click through to your event stream. Because we included the embed code during the setup process, the event stream appears directly on the page. If you chose not to include this, your event streaming page will open up separately. And that's it. We hope your hybrid events will be a tremendous success.